Hey guys, NiagaraTFP here, and I'm going to say how to make a made Skyline made paper. This is part 3. Before showing you how to make this thing, make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the CC channel so you don't miss any of these new videos. And and if you haven't seen part 1 and part 2, or if you're just new to this channel, it's up there somewhere. And in part 1, we're making this, the nameplate. And in part 2, we made these really awesome landmarks. And then this is part 3, which is making the map for the model. Yeah, it's the map for the paper models. So you need to make a presentation here. If you just want to copy mine, this is what mine look like. And then this is the other one right there. And to make the map, right click and then do new slide. And then select everything in here and then just remove it because you don't need and just make it like this because the map is actually going to be big. And now you need to go to the city that you're making. I think you've seen in my items that I got from London video that London has like a specific shape to it, and it's called like it's way to London, and you don't have to make that in here. We're just going to make like the main area of London. So we're gonna do it here. We need to put towers in those. We need to put your landmarks in here. So Buckingham Palace is all the way over here. And Tower is all the way here to the right. And it's kind of hard to screenshot in this computer, so I'm just going to like do it. So anyways, first you need to do is you need to go to shapes and make the circle, well not a circle, but maybe an oval in this case. Let's make it smaller. There you go, because if you do a rectangle with all these corners, then it would look kind of weird. So anyways, you need to make this bigger. I think you can zoom this out more. There you go. It may seem weird, but anyways, and you put the river there, and I'm going to come back here soon and show you the map. There you go, we finally did all of them. So I actually split it into 6 parts because it's really giant. So this is the first one. And this is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. This is the 5th one. And then this is the last one. Anyways, those are all 6 parts. So let's print them. Then we need to cut the electricity around it. There you go. And then we need to glue all these parts together. There you go. Those are all the stuff. And these things here, that's where you put your models. Like for example, here's the tower bridge. Since the tower bridge is kind of long on here, it's bigger than it usually is. And the actual location is actually this thing here. So it's kind of hard to do it that way. Anyways, why does it always fall off? There you go, it goes like that. And then this area here, that's where you put the nameplate. And then you just put the other line marks on. And I'm going to put all the other landmarks on. There you go, all the landmarks are on. And for example, if I take the shard off, notice that says the shard right there to know what building it is. If you take it off, it also says that same thing here to know where it goes. So if it matches right there, that's where it's located. How about this knock down to the cathedral? Oh, there's a lot of stuff that are not in alignment. Oh no, I put on Tower Bridge. There you go, that's better. So there's a lot of a lumber cube and all of here. And this is where the nameplate is, right there. Anyways, I also put the cylinders on there, so these are all done. And these gray ones, those are the roads, and then these black ones, those are trains, like the London Underground and other stuff. Are in these, like train tracks are in these black areas here. So anyways, you can see the river going like that. Anyways, there you go. And that's it for this this series on how to make Skyline. There you go. Thanks for watching. Also, bye.